For a long time, the CFB boiler users are suffering a lot by wearing problems of heating surface in furnace. The abrasion and even leakage happens frequently. The traditional passive ways can only alleviate wear, not eradicate it. In CFB boiler, there has a lot of particles involved in circulation. The high-speed particles keep sourcing the water war continually. Then abrasion happened. It will cause different wear for different areas, or even cause leakage. The Grille Anti-wear technology is an initiative anti-wear solution which is invented by Wuhan Yongping Technology Company Limited and holds several national patents. By installing the alloy plates along the horizontal and vertical directions to form reticular grilles, which can prevent the formation of the high-speed flow on the wall, optimize the flow field of water cooling wall surface, eliminate the added current at some part, reduce the speed of gas-solid two-phase flow, reduce the cutting force of the particles so that you eliminate wear and leakage.